young scientists and students. Today I'm going to talk about the breakup of Sun and Earth and how our beloved Earth left the Sun. Wait, are we living on the Earth planet? Don't cut it. Okay. The night sky seems so peaceful and orderly, but in reality, the stars are craning through the galaxy at speeds of hundreds and thousands of kilometers per hour, not bound by any static formation, but by changing neighborhoods and constantly moving from one place to another, breaking up and forming new relationships. But the space is so big and our galaxy is so huge that it's very rare that any star might come close to our planetary system. But there is a chance, a possibility that some star might take away our Earth. You see, all these celestial bodies are bound together by gravitational forces, and those forces become weaker and weaker as the distance between the object changes and how massive the objects are. We have been in a stable state for eons, but there is a chance that a star might collide with our planet, our sun, or maybe they'll just take our Earth away or something. So, in this distant possibility, once a star came so close to the Earth that at the night sky people look up and see there's two suns in the sky. And as that star moved away, this love triangle, this triangular relationship, the star broke the heart of our Earth, and our Earth left the sun, and it just went away into the wilderness of space. For the first few months, the Earth was broke from this drastic change, and the Earth was shivering with cold because there is no sun anymore to provide that warmth, the feeling of love. So the Earth went cold and went into darkness until it reached the distance of Jupiter, and now can see Jupiter's moons and Titans from our planet, and we can see them like Tinder profiles. But our Earth, he just swiped left on all of them and went on because none of them had the gravitational attraction. I'm talking about attraction to keep it bound. And so the Earth went to the wilderness, and the coldness of space killed all of us. And there's a chance that we might survive on that cold. But in a couple of years, the Earth will be cold-hearted. Even the core will become cooler than it is right now. It has a warmth of love, not anymore. So then the Earth left the sun, and the Earth was just broken-hearted and went cold and cold until everything on it died. But I tell you this now, there's still hope that one day we will go to another planet. Now, my friend's going to talk about that part. A very brilliant scientist is going to talk about that.
But weirdly enough, there's a hope that humanity would not be surprised by this potential extinction event. We would notice it thousands of years ago. There's not a lot we could do to stop a star, but what we could do is to perish. But a few million could survive in a huge artificial complexes powered by geothermal and nuclear energy possibly. Even fusion, if we can learn to use the ice around us for power, here humanity might survive for hundreds of thousands of years. At some point, we would become used to it and to our circumstances, and new generation would watch documentaries in disbelief about the time we had our own stars.